Nope, I got it in there now. If I can get it on there,
Get it
if I
out.
can get it on there, I'll be able to get it. Be able to turn it. It's too long. It's still too long. Ain't that a trip? That joke is still too long. Okay, but now, oh, what I can do is,
It's so long.
what I can do is, that one I just, yep, what I just bought, ought not be too long.
That is
Ought
bad.
not be too long.
That is bad right
Huh? Is that bad right there? Yeah,
there. I
man.
can just see it.
It's just in a bad spot, bro. That's all it is.
It needs to be in a good spot.
Yeah, it need to be in a good spot where you can get your hand up down.
I can get my hands over there. Cause my hands are small to get up.
Yeah, they are. And if I knew you knew exactly what you were doing, I tell you, gonna put your hands on it, man.
I already know it.
Okay, come on, man, get on there. Come on now, get on where you fit on. Get on where you fit on. Ah, come on here.
Need help?
Man, you just don't know. You just don't know. Let me see if it done turned on me. I've been a turned on me. Oh.